What is going on, everyone? Your boy C5 Zach. Today we are not doing any Corvette content though. Not yet anyways. We're actually doing some truck content finally. So right now I am on my way to get my new wheels mounted, man. I got some Cosmis racing wheels, some 22s. I think they look killer. I'm finally gonna go get them mounted on. And yeah, man, so I'll try to take some before clips. I should have some to throw in of the current wheels. I currently have just black snowflake wheels. I've had them since I bought the truck almost 3 years ago. So I'm tired of them, man. I'm bored. My truck's blacked out right now. It's been blacked out. Love the look, but I'm ready to change it up. Put the chrome back on that came with it because it's a Denali. The chrome door handles and chrome badges, and you guys will see. I think these wheels will be really nice, but this is just, you know, the start of some truck content. I got some other stuff I want to do to it coming up soon, so let's get these wheels on, man, and I'll show y'all what we got working with. Alrighty, y'all, as you can see, we got the Cosmis wheels on my Sierra Denali. They look freaking awesome. I love them. It's exactly what the truck needed. Got the chrome door handles, OEM. I'm probably gonna put chrome Denali badges back on too, like it came from the factory. They're blacked out right now, but yeah, I know those clips were kind of all over the place. I just kind of filmed them, you know, over the last few weeks. Had the wheels on for probably a month or two now, but they look freaking sick. I love them. They're 22s. I'll leave the specs below. You can only get one size from them anyways. And these this wheel style for trucks, they're 22 by 10s, 0 offset, and what else? Yeah, I'm running a 285 tire, 285, 45, 22 size tire on a 3.5 drop, all-wheel drive. Sierra, it does rub in the front, especially reversing. It's not terrible. It's just the tire size, but if you downsize a bit, it'd be fine. But I hope y'all enjoy them, man. Got more to the truck coming up. Right here, we got some Viking coilovers for the truck. Gonna be throwing those on soon. As you can see, a little sneak peek. Yeah, man, I got some fun stuff to do. The front shocks are completely done, so I figured I'd upgrade and, you know, just pay once and cry once. So yeah, these were pretty pricey. I got the custom mounts coming from them soon from Atomic Fab. But yeah, that's just a little preview of what's to come with the truck. Got the C5 behind me, if you like Corvette content. But yeah, man, front coilovers. And we're gonna be doing some other fun stuff to the truck as well, but that's it for now. And thanks for watching.